What if I told you you could make $100 to $1,000 per day selling digital products? Yes, that's true. Today's world is a digital world. Everything everywhere is digitized. Whether it's money, business, or art, the digital business is getting bigger and bigger every day, and people are creating and selling digital products and making thousands of dollars in passive income from the comfort of their home. And if you want to know the best digital business ideas, today I'm going to show you the 7 most profitable digital products that you should start creating and selling right now that can make you up to $1,000 per day. Most importantly, you don't need fancy editing softwares and spend hundreds of dollars to create these products and set up your business. These 7 products have huge earning potentials and yet are unexpectedly easy to create. And what's amazing about this is that you can create these products one time and sell thousands and thousands of copies over and over again once you set up your business. You just need to use the tools and the links that I'm about to give you in this video. I'm also going to show you how to create these products even if you don't have any specific skills. You should just relax, grab a cup of tea, and watch this video till the end. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Money Online Genius community. This is your regular host Dave. Today's video is for those who have tried and failed to start a digital business because they did not select the right products that were in high demand, and also for those who are absolutely new and don't have any ideas on how to start, what to sell, and how to create digital products. Now, if you're really excited about this video and want to join our Money Online Genius community, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that I can send you a personal notification whenever I upload new videos like this. And just to let you know, I am nothing without your support. All my effort will be nothing if you do not hit that like button to encourage me further. So please smash that like button and let's dive into this video. Number 7, printable cards. People would like to buy digital printable cards like wedding cards, birthday cards, get well soon cards, thank you cards, I'm sorry cards, funny cards, invitation cards, greeting cards, and so on. And they want to print them according to their own convenience. We all know that these cards are evergreen products. If you go to Etsy and search for greeting cards, most of these stores on Etsy are making insane amount of money by selling such digital printable cards. And these products are never oversaturated. I'm showing you this just to give you a heads up and let you know how simple it could be. Now comment in this video, I want a full tutorial if you want a full tutorial dedicated to each of these 7 products that I'm showing you today. Now first go to Canva using the link below this video description and click on custom size. Now just choose inches and type the size 7 by 10. Since we are creating a foldable card, we should type minimum 7 by 10 inch. It should be minimum 7 by 10 inch. Now first part should be the back part of your card and the second part should be the front of your card. When you're writing on the back side, make sure the writing is upside down. You just need to adjust the writing here to make it upside down, because when you're actually folding the card, it becomes the correct format. Now all you need to do is just start writing your text on this card, and you have to either upload graphics and florals from a website called Creative Fabrica, or you can just use Canva templates from Canva itself. You have to either sign up for Canva Pro 30 days free trial. I'll leave the link below for Canva Pro, or you have to use a website again, Creative Fabrica, which is the hub for over 5 million designs, fonts, and graphics. And if you sign up using the link from this video description, you will access all of those 5 million designs and fonts in just $1 for a month. So if you're really serious about creating your digital products brand and start making money, you either need Canva Pro or you have to sign up for Creative Fabrica. Now this is how it looks after finalizing your cards here. So creating printable cards is one of the hottest niches that you can find right now, is one of the hottest niches that you can start right now. Number 6, Mockup photo bundles. This is another digital product that most people don't even think of creating. Mockup photos are like frames where people can attach their designs to showcase to their customers. For example, you can create a digital product and you need some mockup frames or backgrounds to show to your customer how beautiful your design looks. There are millions of online sellers who actually require mockups, and you can sell such mockup bundles online and start making money instantly. Now you can either create mockups on Canva, or you can get the mockups from Creative Fabrica and redesign them on Canva. Or if you're a professional photographer, you can use different kinds of high quality photos related to specific niche and sell them as a mockup bundles online. It could be Etsy or any other platforms. Number five, workbooks. Creating and selling workbooks are skyrocketing these days. Workbooks are like alternatives to online courses because we all know that online courses are comparatively more time consuming and expensive. As we all know that people want to save their time and money, and that's why workbooks are so popular these days. You can create workbooks if you're a teacher, coach, entrepreneur, trainer, public speaker, or even a chef. Whatever you do, if you're good at that, you can create a workbook that contains the process or steps of doing something and sell that online. If you want to see this on Etsy, you can find examples of fitness workbooks, nutrition, SEO, digital cookbooks, and so much more. And remember, you create this once and then you can sell it for your lifetime. That keeps generating you passive income. And I must tell you that creating workbooks is not as hard as you think. You can use Canva to create workbook again. As you can see, there are a number of templates for workbook creation in Canva. With Canva Pro, you can access all of them and design your workbooks easily. Let me know in the comment section if you want a full tutorial on how to create workbooks on Canva. Number four is templates. Yes, you heard it right. The fourth product you should start selling right now is templates, which can be divided into business templates like lease agreement templates, work contract templates, email swipes templates, invoices, marketing templates, etc. And personal templates like social media templates, Instagram captions, calendars, resumes, and so much more. Nowadays, who does not want to make their life easier? Whether it's business or individual, people are using these ready-made templates every day to save their time and money both. So, selling such easy to create templates online are one of the top performing digital products these days. And people are actually crushing it with a little bit of competitor research and picking up a right niche. You can start creating such templates using Canva and start selling them right away. Number three, printable art. Printable wall arts is a massive hit on Etsy. These people are making anywhere between $400 to $700 a day selling digital art. If you're an artist, you can digitize your art and start selling your art online right now. And for those who don't have any clue about creating an art, you can also start creating printable wall art in the form of quotes like inspiring quotes, funny quotes, positive affirmation quotes, different types of floral arts using Canva and Creative Fabrica. I have a separate video where I show you how you can create printable wall arts using Canva. I'm going to leave the link of this video in this video description. You can go ahead and watch it later after finishing this video. Number two, digital planner or checklists. This is another great digital product which has a massive popularity among sellers and buyers because it's easy to create as a seller and it's incredibly useful as a buyer since it makes your life easier with such planners and checklists. Examples of digital planners are like daily planner, calendar planner, content creators planner, nutrition planner, travel planner, wedding planner, self-care, and so on. You can niche down to any of these and start your digital business right now, which can bring you passive income all your life. And again, you can create these planners using Canva, and they are so simple to create. As I said before, all of these products are simple to create. Now let's go for the number one. Number one is trackers. One of my favorites and the best digital products to sell right now. Habit tracker, meditation tracker, nutrition tracker, health tracker, expense tracker, job application trackers for business. Such trackers are insanely popular on digital marketplace like Etsy nowadays. You don't have to be massively talented on this. You can either use Canva to create them directly using the Canva templates because they have a lot of templates here, or you can use Creative Fabrica to download them and customize them on Canva. It's a very simple track sheet where people can monitor their progress on certain tasks. All of these 7 products that I've showed you today can change your life if you can start creating and selling them. However, you need to be definitely using the tools that I mentioned in this video. You have to do the computer research. You have to see what the other people are doing, how they are selling. You must be authentic and consistent on this. If you want to watch the step-by-step tutorial on how to create printable wall art, watch the video appearing to the left of your screen. I'll see you on the other side.